Data is everywhere. We create quintillions of bytes every day. This data explosion fuels the rapid evolution of data analytics. Businesses are no longer drowning in data, they are learning to swim. They are using data to make better decisions, understand customers, and optimize operations. This data-driven revolution is transforming every industry. Healthcare uses data to improve diagnoses, finance uses data to detect fraud, retail uses data to personalize customer experiences. The possibilities are endless. Data analytics helps us find patterns. It helps us predict future trends. It helps us make smarter decisions. The ability to extract meaningful insights from data is becoming increasingly crucial for success. As technology advances, so too does data analytics. What was once a specialized field is now accessible to everyone. This democratization of data is empowering businesses of all sizes to make data-driven decisions. Business intelligence, or BI, is evolving. It is moving beyond traditional reporting. Organizations are embracing advanced analytics. These include predictive modeling and machine learning. Companies use BI to gain a competitive edge. They analyze customer data to understand buying patterns. They optimize pricing strategies to maximize revenue. They identify potential risks and opportunities. The rise of self-service BI tools is empowering business users. These tools allow users to access and analyze data without relying on IT departments. This empowers faster, more agile decision-making. However, the increasing complexity of data requires skilled analysts. These professionals can bridge the gap between data and actionable insights. They possess the expertise to navigate the ever-evolving world of data analytics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming data analytics. Machine learning algorithms can analyze massive data sets. They identify complex patterns that humans might miss. This leads to more accurate predictions and smarter decisions. AI-powered analytics tools automate tasks. They free up human analysts to focus on more strategic initiatives. For example, AI can automate data cleaning, preparation, and visualization. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases earlier. It analyzes medical images and patient records. This enables healthcare providers to make more informed treatment decisions. In finance, AI detects fraudulent transactions in real time. It assesses credit risks and automates trading strategies. AI is becoming essential for staying ahead in a data-driven world. Real-time analytics is no longer optional. Businesses need insights now, not later. Real-time data analysis enables instant decision-making. This is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. Consider online retailers. They use real-time analytics to personalize customer experiences. They recommend products based on browsing history and purchase behavior. This leads to increased sales and customer satisfaction. In manufacturing, real-time data from sensors optimizes production processes. It predicts equipment failures and reduces downtime. This improves efficiency and reduces costs. Real-time analytics empowers businesses to be proactive, not reactive. It enables them to adapt quickly to changing market conditions and customer needs. Section 5. Data security, walking the tightrope. The benefits of data analytics come with responsibilities. Data privacy and security are paramount. Businesses must handle data responsibly and ethically. Regulations like GDPR and CCPA set strict guidelines for data protection. Companies must comply with these regulations to avoid penalties and reputational damage. Data breaches can have severe consequences. They can lead to financial losses, legal issues, and damage to brand reputation. Therefore, businesses must invest in robust cybersecurity measures. Data encryption, access controls, and regular security audits are crucial. Employees should receive training on data privacy and security best practices. Section 6. Data democratization. Power to the people. Data democratization is transforming the workplace. It empowers everyone to access and analyze data. Self-service analytics tools make this possible. Business users can now answer their own data questions. They no longer need to rely on IT departments. This empowers faster and more agile decision-making. Data democratization fosters a data-driven culture. It encourages collaboration and data literacy across the organization. This leads to better insights and more informed decisions. However, data democratization requires governance and control. Businesses need to ensure data accuracy and prevent misuse. Section 7. Quantum leap in data analytics. Quantum computing is poised to revolutionize data analytics. Quantum computers can process information exponentially faster than traditional computers. This opens up possibilities for solving currently intractable problems. For example, quantum computers could analyze massive datasets in healthcare. They could identify patterns leading to breakthroughs in drug discovery. In finance, quantum computers could optimize investment portfolios. They could analyze market trends with unprecedented speed and accuracy. While still in its early stages, quantum computing holds immense potential. It could transform data analytics and lead to groundbreaking discoveries. Section 8. Edge computing analytics at the source. Edge computing brings data analytics closer to the data source. Instead of sending data to a centralized cloud, data is processed at the edge of the network. This is crucial for applications requiring real-time responses. For example, autonomous vehicles need to process data from sensors instantly. Edge computing enables them to make split-second decisions. In manufacturing, edge computing allows for real-time monitoring of equipment. It detects anomalies and predicts failures before they occur. This minimizes downtime and improves efficiency. Edge computing reduces latency, bandwidth usage, and costs. It empowers faster insights and actions in time-sensitive scenarios. Section 9. The ethical considerations of data analytics. The power of data analytics comes with ethical considerations. Businesses must use data responsibly and ethically. Bias in data can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. For example, AI algorithms used in hiring decisions should be free from bias. Otherwise, they could perpetuate existing inequalities in the workforce. Data privacy is paramount. Businesses must be transparent about how they collect, use, and store data. They need to obtain informed consent from individuals. The responsible use of data analytics is crucial for building trust with customers and stakeholders. Section 10. The future of data analytics, a data-driven utopia. The future of data analytics is bright. Advances in technology will continue to shape the field. Data will become even more central to decision-making. AI and machine learning will become even more powerful. They will automate complex tasks and uncover hidden patterns. This will lead to smarter decisions and better outcomes. Data democratization will empower everyone to access and analyze data. This will lead to a more data-literate workforce and a culture of data-driven decision-making. The ethical use of data will be paramount. Businesses that prioritize data privacy, security, and responsible AI practices will thrive. The future of data analytics is about harnessing the power of data for good. It is about using data to make the world a better place.